Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for having us today. I'm really excited to be here. My name is Rich Tomko. I'm the project manager here at 4M Consulting, and we're here to give you a brief overview today of our progress and everything that's happened with the Reza smartphone. We're real excited that we are able to partner with you in doing this incredible design launch, and we appreciate your time this morning, and we know it's valuable. Let's talk about the tasks that our team put together in order to get this launch going. And we worked from July to December, so we gave ourselves a nice little time frame, and we did have a nice budget. So we're going to start with a kickoff celebration right away in July 1st. We want to get everyone, all the stakeholders together. We want to let everyone know that this is an important launch, an important design. The team goal setting and review was another task, creative design strategy sessions. And then, of course, we want to recruit application providers while we're doing this feasibility and cost study and cost analysis. Our biggest task, we think, is to get with focus groups. After we get this design underway, we want to make sure that we get some stakeholders, including customers, obviously, from all different generational gaps, and make sure we understand what we should be focusing on. So we need feedback loops, etc. And then obviously the design, manufacturing, marketing, and advertising campaign. So we're very excited about this, and that brings us to December. And here's our team: Carla, Dan, Ben, and Elsa. We're all from Johns Hopkins. We graduated together, and we are definitely going to be working really hard to get this design out. While we're creating the schedule, we see that there are 4 major implementations. That's a creative design and strategic sessions, our goal setting area. We need a pre-release that deals with the focus groups, the marketing and ad campaign portion of this, and our design launch. So we came together with a lot of these different values that we had for the design of the Reza smartphone, and we know that all these things have to come together. And we have some, our durations and our days, especially all together, it's going to be about 130 days to bring this to you as a product that we know will be successful. Our cost or resource estimates of non-labor are about $189,000, which is under budget that we've set. Obviously, we have to have some contingencies in there. We're allocating 181 staff days that we think we need for our entire team. And this includes $150,000 for design and manufacturing prototypes, as you see here. Our marketing campaign is at $25,000. We think that's pretty conservative. We had some personnel decisions that we had to make throughout the process. Goal setting was Ben and Carla. The pre-release with the focus group and the data debriefing was Dan and Elsa. And then I was in charge of the marketing and advertising campaign and the actual launch, bringing it to you. And that's how we basically managed the project. Our important thing that we looked at were our stakeholder groups. Obviously, me being one of them as the lead, the project design team being another. The focus groups themselves, are important for the feedback. The management piece of the entire project, and how we communicate with them, which we'll talk about in a minute. The consumers are our most important stakeholder group, really, if you really think about it, right? We're not doing this for nothing for profit, right? So, and then of course you, the client. We want to make sure that you are successful as a consulting firm. We want to make sure that we take you through this entire process. Communicating with all those groups, obviously email, in-person, and phone conferencing. We're going to do that on daily, weekly advisements for different groups. And basically the most important part is that we keep the communication lines open. We make sure we respond back and forth to each other so that we can make sure that the project runs smoothly. Some of the challenges and observations we've had, well, the focus groups and scheduling and getting those feedback loops from the focus groups, that's obviously one of our top priorities. And it is challenging to get people to answer the way we need to sometimes and get some of that feedback. The predecessors to debriefing and production, when you see the schedule that we provided, certain things have to happen before others. So for example, focus groups have to happen and the debriefing has to happen before the production can happen. And there were some time constraints on the data analysis because of the feedback prior to the design, right? We tried to get the turnaround time to our production department as soon as we could so that we can launch that on December 10th, which was our big priority. So we're excited to bring this to you. Obviously, we're here for questions or whatever you may have, but that is really everything that we've worked on throughout these last few weeks. So thank you very much, and we appreciate your time.